For America and a waiting world, integrity is 5.5 minutes away from coming home. Passing 100,000 feet now. Range to splash down 19 nautical miles.
All that energy you put in to get out to the moon, it's just the atmosphere that's going to dissipate that, and it's going to turn it all into heat. Friction, the furnace of friction.
Hast thou with him spread out the sky, which is strong and as a molten looking glass?
As you start to touch the atmosphere, the G's just slowly come on. The G's built up. We hit close to 4 G's a couple times on the reentry profile. You saw the plasma coming. For me, it started high and started coming down. It was red, but then it was green and bluish, and it was bright. It was like somebody was welding outside the capsule. I put my sun visor down. It was so bright.
Strong and as a molten looking glass.
I think it was intense. The heat, I mean, literally and figuratively intense. And we, in that blackout, not only do we lose the ability to communicate, we lose the ability for, mission control to command to the vehicle.
The blackness around Earth, our place in the universe.
We were just two different things keeping humans alive in the universe.
It was an absolutely incredible human moment. We knew we were safe. We were in the capsule, completely relaxed. But when the humans opened that hatch,
Yes!
and were the first to welcome us back to planet Earth, which we knew we had just come back to a planet because of what we just experienced.
Just immense gratitude for the trust in us.
It's just such a neat thing to see as a human being.
And it kept 4 humans alive.
4 astronauts who made history, their bravery, and I just have to say tonight, they just seem like great human beings.
It was an absolutely incredible human moment. But when the humans opened that hatch,
Because space sleep is the best sleep ever. It's so peaceful, it's so comfortable.
But then we would also be remiss if we didn't thank the media, if we didn't thank the content creators.
Human beings.
As a human being,
human moment,
Human beings.
as a human being,
human moment.
Human beings.
But when the humans opened that hatch,
And I saw 3 unclean spirits like frogs come out of the mouth of the dragon, and out of the mouth of the beast, and out of the mouth of the false prophet. For they are the spirits of devils, working miracles, which go forth unto the kings of the earth and of the whole world, to gather them to the battle of that great day of God Almighty.
but when the humans opened that hatch,
The moment, well, first of all of the things. That was a very intense 13 minutes and 36 seconds. That moment was when the drogues released, and then the pilot chutes and the mains came out. In Dragon,
The dragon,
I've experienced a similar entry, and in Dragon,
the dragon,
the drogue chutes don't release the same way. And
So Jessica, a couple of quick questions here. This time you went up on the Dragon. How was it this time compared to your last trip up?
So the Soyuz and the Dragon are really different vehicles. The Soyuz that I flew the first time, the Russian rocket and spacecraft, it's a very old, reliable system. It's been flying for decades and decades, and there have been some upgrades along the way. But it's, really like night and day from Dragon, because Dragon is this new modern machine.
the dragon,
It's all touch screens and displays. There's no real instruments to fly with, there's no controllers that you can actually fly with versus the Soyuz. One of the big differences too, in the Soyuz, you're covered by a fairing at launch, so you don't have a view until that fairing is exposed and you're in space. But in Dragon, there are actually windows.
The Dragon.
So I couldn't see from my seat, but you can catch a glimpse from some of the other seats of lifting, coming off of the launch pad and seeing Florida below and waving at people like you that were there to support us.